The most common PPC mistakes and how to avoid them. Hello, welcome to Lead Forensics Focus, evaluating your marketing and sales success, educational insights into marketing and sales expertise. In this video, I'm going to discuss the most common PPC mistakes and how you can avoid them. The first and most common mistake is rushing to get started. Every marketing department has deadlines, but pay-per-click requires a delicate approach and high attention to detail. Rushing into this campaign can do a lot of damage and severely strain your department's budget. PPC is a very flexible marketing channel, offering your team a large number of options and choices, but this isn't always a blessing, as marketing teams can become confused and unknowingly make choices that sabotage success. Take your time when setting up a PPC campaign. Be 100% sure in every decision you've made. It may take an extra 24 hours, but could save your business thousands. Next up, not bidding on your own brand. It may seem foolish to bid on your own brand name, but it's actually highly important, and failing to do so can be detrimental to success. If you don't bid on your own brand name, competitors can steal those valuable top-ranking spots. If a prospect searches directly for your brand and they can't find you, it doesn't look good. Set up a PPC campaign to bid on your own brand name, ensuring you rank in both organic and paid spots on these most valuable searches. Take a little look at your competitors' names too, in case they've forgotten to bid on themselves. Then, set in all keywords to broad match. When setting up a PPC campaign, you have the opportunity to select how wide the search matches. Many feel it's best to choose broad match to capture a large number of audiences, but this is dangerous. Let's say, for example, you own a graphic design software company. With broad match enabled, people searching for free graphic design software will see your advert. Every click costs money, and those looking for a free service will click on your advert. You've paid for that click, and it will lead to nothing. PPC can boost web traffic by 300%, but you want to make sure you're attracting the traffic that offers new business opportunities. Look into other match options like phrase match or broad modified to ensure your adverts are still viewed by many, but only those who are in the market for your products or services. In fourth place, making PPC changes without data insight. In marketing, when something isn't going to plan, we make changes. But in PPC, changes can be costly. Many organisations lose money on PPC because they make changes that weren't informed by data. It comes back to timing. If you need to achieve a certain number of opportunities by a certain deadline, you might make last-minute adjustments to a PPC campaign to secure these results. But this rarely works. Before making changes, analyse your current campaign in detail and look to improve your quality score. This will ensure your changes have the desired effect, instead of costing your business additional budget for minimal gain. Next is bidding on too many keywords. On average, only 12% of the keywords you're bidding on will lead to a sale. This means 88% of your current PPC efforts are not performing and eat up around 64% of your budget. It's easy to bid on every keyword deemed important to ensure your brand regularly appears in online searches, but PPC is expensive and there's little point wasting money in this way. Look to your keyword groups and select 10 or less in each group to focus your pay-per-click efforts on. Routinely analyse the performance throughout your pipeline, and after a few months, cut the keywords that fail to produce high converting leads or instantly unqualified opportunities. And finally, not using negative keywords. Selecting keywords to bid on is important, but selecting the keywords you definitely do not want to be associated with is also vital. Selecting negative keywords helps ensure your adverts are displayed to the most relevant audiences who could potentially become clients. If you don't want searchers associating your product with the word free, then make that word a negative keyword. You may see fewer overall clicks, but you'll stop encouraging an audience of no value to your business. For every keyword in play, try and think of a negative keyword to ensure you refine your PPC audience and promote the most valuable engagement. I hope you found this video helpful. Revisit your PPC campaign and ensure you're not making any of these mistakes to achieve your best results. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below and share. Also, don't forget to follow us on all social platforms @Lead Forensics. Follow the links below. See you next time.